Can I get a what's up, guys? Ready?
No!
I want to what's
Babe,
up.
I can't do it. I can't do it with like,
Ready?
my voice doesn't do that.
Ready? On 3, or on go. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Baby, I can't do it.
Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys?
There you go, just say it louder. Say, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
That's it! 3, 2.
Am I actually doing this?
Yeah, you're actually doing this. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys?
Yes! I love it! If you guys haven't seen yet, I upgraded to a HERO6 now. So I will be flying this all day. This is kind of my first attempt at seeing if the video quality is any better. Take a little gander and see if you notice anything different, see if the quality is any better. Let me know. I'm very interested to see if you guys can tell a difference, because I've flown the HERO6 a couple packs, like out in like some little bitty parks, but never fully tested it yet. It doesn't feel like it flies much heavier than the Session, but if the video quality is a lot better, I'm tempted to just only fly the HERO6.